What's up guys, it's Greta. Welcome back to my channel and welcome for the first time if you are new. My name is Greta and I do hair and all sorts of different things on my channel. I guess I might categorize myself as a lifestyle YouTuber. Today I'm going to teach you the difference between a actual rope braid and a twist braid, as well as teach you how to do both of them. I'm going to do them both. I'm going to do the rope braid on one side and the twist braid on the other side so that you can see them right up against each other so you can really see the difference of what they look like. One is not the right way or the wrong way. They're just two different braids and the methods are similar, but a little bit of, no pun intended, there's a twist. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you learn anything, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Without further ado, let's begin. So I have already sectioned my hair into two parts, the right side and the left side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the right side and just get this one out of my way for while I do my twist braid on the left side. So I'm going to start on my left side by taking a section starting from my temple and going kind of diagonally up towards my center part. We're gonna go ahead and split that into two sections. And I want the top side to be tight, and this side I'm okay with that being looser, so this side is going to be fed underneath. So I'm just going to go ahead and cross my bottom section over the top section, and now I'm going to do that again, and now I'm going to add hair into both sides. And then I'm going to cross them over again. And we're going to continue that all the way down till you reach the end and you've run out of hair to add in. Once you've added in all the hair, you have to begin your rope braid at the bottom. So if you remember how to do this, two sections are going to be twisted in the same direction and then twisted over each other in the opposite direction, and that is going to be your rope braid. Secure that with an elastic. And this is your twist braid. It is super important to keep your sections really tight while you are braiding because it's obvious it really loosens up. Now let's jump right into the rope braid on the right side. I'm going to use the same sectioning method starting from my temple and going up to the top of my section, splitting that into two. And again, I'm going to take that top section and feed that under. One more without adding in hair, and then start adding in your pieces. Now before I twist this section over itself, I'm going to twist this section towards my face. Now, if you had started with your top section going over, this one would be twisted away from the face. Okay? Twist that and bring it over. Add in more hair. Twist this section towards the face. and bring it up and over the other section. Go ahead and add hair back into those sections. And then take your front section and twist it towards the face. And twist it over the other section. And continue this all the way down until you reach the end and there's no more hair to add in. Now that you've added in all the hair, continue the rope braid down in the same method and directions that you were just doing it in. Finish that off with an elastic, and here is our French rope braid. As well with this one, it is important to keep it tight as you're braiding, but of course you can see the difference is huge. This one loosens up a crazy amount, whereas this one stays nice and tight because you're adding that extra twist. And that's what makes this one a rope braid and this one just a twist. So you let me know in the comments down below which one you like better. I know this one can be a little bit tricky to get because there's a lot of different twisting and directions going on, but practice makes perfect. I didn't learn this in a day, and I believe in you. You can do it. And I definitely hope to see you in my future videos, so be sure to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to like this video as it does help me on YouTube with the YouTube algorithm, and I will hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye! So I have, once you have added, now before I twist this section over the other section. Yeah? Oh, thank you. Could you maybe put it in the freezer for me and then I'll come and grab it in a couple minutes? Now once you have finished adding in all the hair, you're just going to continue the rope braid. Now that you have completed the